This demonstration is presented by AltaCX Corp and reviews how to access Dynamics 365. If you're wondering what Dynamics 365 is, it unifies your software application needs into a suite that works together. Your sales, customer service, field service, financial, marketing, and project teams can all work together on software platforms that merge seamlessly together. Dynamics is accessed from the Office 365 portal. For instructions on how to access the portal, refer to the video titled How to Access Office 365 Online in our AltaCX Corp YouTube channel. From the Office portal, select the Dynamics 365 tile, and this will list the apps that you've been given access to based on your role. If you want to see a short description of what the app is, just select the ellipsis button here and you'll see a brief description. If this is an app that you're going to be using a lot, you can pin the app and it will show up under your pinned apps. And if you want to unpin it, just select that ellipsis again and select Unpin this app. If you appear to be missing an app, selecting this Sync button will ensure that all the apps that you've been given access to are appearing on your home page. Selecting the Filter button will allow you to select which sources and instances of your apps that you want to appear. If you want to change the way your apps are sorted, you can click this button here, and it's sorted right now in alphabetical order in ascending order. If you want to do it in descending order, you can select this, or you can select the last used. If you want to change the size of the tiles that display, you can select small tiles or large tiles. If you have access to quite a few apps and you want to search for a particular app, you can just use this field here, and that displays everything that has sales. So if I select the app, it will display this page, and you'll get some messages up at the top that you can just simply X out of. If I select this chevron next to Dynamics 365, you'll see listed the apps that I saw on the home page. You can see them listed here and I can access them this way. Or if I want to go back to the home page, I just select the home button and that'll take me back to the initial home page. If I have access to another environment, such as a demo environment, for example, if I select this chevron next to my apps, it will then list all the apps that I have access to, same as you do on the initial Dynamics homepage, so production and demo environments. If you select the chevron next to sales, you'll see all of the work areas that are related to the sales app: sales, marketing, settings, and training. And within each of these work areas are the links to the various entities that you've been given access to. The navigation bar in each app has the same buttons. We have this one to do a simple search for a record. This one will allow you to go back to your pinned or most recently used records. You can add a new record with this button. You can do an advanced search using filters, sorting, and various criteria. This is where you would set your personal options. And this is the Help button. If you want to change the default page that appears when you first log in, you can select Settings, Options, and you could select the default pane here. Say I want it to be Sales, and say instead of Dashboards for the default tab, I want it to be Accounts, for example. And then I'll say OK. And just to refresh that, I'll just access the Sales app again. And you'll see now that Active Accounts is my default view here. If I want to change the default view to My Active Accounts, I'll select My Active Accounts, and then I'll just select this pin button here to make that the default view. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more information, please give us a call at 403-398-2497 or send an email to support@altacx.com.